All right, good morning. So, I want to share with you guys something else that I do. So, it's breakfast, morning time. We got a papaya right here. So, this is a ripe papaya. So, this is what you know, want. This is when you want to eat it, when it's ripe like this. When the skin, well, when it looks like this all around, it's still not that ripe. But you see this juicy looking flesh? This one is ripe. And you can kind of tell because they get a little softer when you like squeeze them. But yeah, this is what I like to do in the morning. So you can have this with a banana or some dates or something like that. It's real filling too. So this is something else that I do on a regular. Also, it's really good for the skin. So if you have skin issues, this is definitely going to help you out. So eczema, psoriasis, this is what we go through. What I used to go through, but I don't have any issues. But I'm just trying to help you guys out. So this is something that I still do on a regular is I eat papayas. Like I said, it's very filling, and you get natural minerals and nutrients from this. Like you got a lot of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, potassium, all that type of stuff. So this is the type of food you want to be eating, in my opinion, if you really want to get your skin clear and do it naturally. Because, like I said, my skin was horrible with eczema, and I did everything naturally, like with foods and natural stuff like this, to keep my skin clear and get it clear. So, yeah, so this is something that you guys should definitely want to add to the diet. You know, Also, I'll definitely like it because it's good for like digestive issues. So if you got any type of issues in the gut, the digestive issues, you definitely want to get on this papaya. It's also good like for your hair, skin, nails. It'll keep your eyes nice and bright with because it got a lot of beta carotene in there. The seeds too, you can eat the seeds. So I mean, I don't like the seeds, to be honest. I don't like them. But you can eat the seeds. You can put them in like a smoothie. You could put like you can make a smoothie with it. So you could put the papaya, some bananas. You do if you want to do some almond milk or something, coconut milk, oat, whatever type of milk you want. You could do water. You could do frozen fruits, and you could put a little bit of seeds. So what I do when I do use the seeds, I only put a little bit, like maybe like a spoonful. So that's what I do. But and the seeds is real good. Like if you eating like a lot of meats and stuff like that, and like dairy and like a bunch of stuff in the diet, and you feel like you got like worms or parasites or any type of bugs, this stuff right here, these seeds right here, will definitely help out and get all that out. Um, but yeah, so do your research. This is my opinion. I'm trying to keep my channel good. I ain't trying to get banned from telling you guys a lot of stuff that is helpful. But so yeah, this is stuff that I do. This is my experience. Well, I feel my health is really good, and one of the things I was doing when my skin was bad was I was eating a lot of papaya as well, um, and I felt good eating it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna have this with some bananas in a second. Um, Make a juice later. So yeah, this was just another little tip I wanted to give you guys that's dealing with the eczema. So you got a friend here who had eczema before, sharing what I know, what I did, and what I'm still doing. So if you got any questions, reach out. I'm here to help you guys out. Take care.